managed to secure the bus, and yeah, this is the bus that people are using to go. Yeah, as you can see, everything is done now, and yeah, so guys, people that are getting money from premium. People that are getting money to use along the way, as you can see. So yeah, man, premium is giving them the money to use along the way.
I think it's not going to shine.
But I think I'm going to read the situation. I want to team. So guys, it's day 2. It's day 2. We came again to do some donations. We brought the pampers, the sanitary pads, and yeah, we are going to the offices to see the right people to team with. So yeah. Okay. So guys, we are looking for the right people people that are working in the office to hand over the stuff. So yeah, man, we're out here in our big day 2 now. Day 2.
Hello, how are you? I'm good, man. You are talking to Premium. We are at the office. I don't know. Are you around? We are at your office. Close to your office. Okay, sure. Thank you. I don't this.
Alright. So guys, this is the stuff that we brought today. This is there's diapers which are full here, and then there's what do you call them? Sanitary pads, and then there's diapers as well as sanitary pads, as you can see. So guys, we're about to deliver the stuff. This 1,500 sanitary pads, and then there's like 350 over 700 diapers, I guess. So I guess we came to deliver the stuff. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned.
So when we do houses, when we give, it's going to make everything. Yeah.
So guys, we are now going to another location. The Premium. Baba, how's the updates, Baba? Chicha kuitika.
Guys, so right now we are busy, ne? Tikuda kutsvaga vanhu vachapinda mubhazi. Because pane bhazi riri kufanga kusimuka kuenda kuZimbabwe. You know? Bhazi riro richabhadharwa. It's going to be paid for. Harisi bhazi riri kufandiwa maybe with government or whatever. Ibhazi. Hello, Magadi.
Nothing to do with politics.
Yeah. Exactly. Ibhazi rokuti riri kutobhadharwa with a private person. Ari kuda kuti vanhu vafambe zvakanaka 60 people actually to be precise. So panapa, patiri panapa, we managed to take we managed to take 30 people. And vari kudiwa guys ka. Vari kudiwa vana mama vakuru, vari kudiwa vakadzi vane nhumbu, vari kudiwa vanhu vakaremara, vanhu vanonga critical. Vari kudiwa guys. So yeah. Panapa tatora 30 kwatakuenda uko kuconsulate yekuJohannesburg tikundotora futi vamwe 30 and then bhazi riri kufamba wasumuka tonight.
So let's go. Let's go. So guys, takuenda kunotora vanhu, and I was shocked that vanhu vari panapa they're coming from Cape Town. I thought maybe
I was shocked like wow.
This nigga is a bombo class.
Wait
We arrived at a Zimbabwean consulate. It's called Zimbabwe what? Consulate. We are now at Zimbabwean consulate. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. I don't know why the guests are closed today.
Basi. Warukwenda kumbera basi. Okay, saka mtoto na basi background.
So yeah, man, we reached out to the consulate of Zimbabwe, and then they were just making things complicated, and they wanted things to be political or what, and we were telling them that we got someone who offered a bus to take Zimbabweans home, but they were just making things so complicated. So we decided to go back to the first location and take 60 people from that side because we wanted to divide, but unfortunately.
It's okay, sweetheart. Ndatangokucheka. Ndatenga mamagnum ari mufiriji.
So guys, we are finding out. Maji, mabaya sarata. So guys, we wanna see the trailers from the owner. These are the trailers, and they are the buses. We wanna look for a bus to hire later tonight. This one is tired, bro. Very tired. This one. Sure. What? Sure. This one is very tired, guys. We're still doing the errands, trying to collect some stuff for donation. There's an update that there's a bus which is coming maybe in 3 hours, around 8 to 9 p.m. So we're still waiting for the bus. We just want to fish people and take them to Zimbabwe. But right now we're going to take some donations as well, some other diapers and some other sanitary pads by this company. So hectic the whole day, imagine. So yeah, man, stay tuned. So guys, we're still there, and now people, they're getting supper. It's crazy. Yo, Olato. So guys, it's now later today. Now we're in McDonald's. We didn't eat the whole day. Tango jikasata muscat. Now try something to eat. So we're gonna keep on giving you updates, man, on what's happening, what's popping. So stay tuned, man. Guys, so now it's now in the night. Look at the car that I'm driving, guys. And now the people, they are being carried by the buses down there. We're gonna show you. And yeah, it's hectic. Spend the whole day here, guys. I'm so tired, to be honest. So let me show you the people. This is the bus that we want. To carry people. As you can see, this is the current situation here, guys. This is the current situation here.
Pedro Pojo was the man that got forward and kept the ball into the path of Olmo. Johnny Olmo, another Barcelona player in the starting 11.
So guys, this is the current situation this side.
For the national team, to find
this is the current situation this side. So guys, 2-9. This is the current situation right now. here in Johannesburg. People, they are sleeping outside, as you can see. People, they are sleeping outside. People with the babies and stuff, they are sleeping outside. Look there. Vanhu vakazara panapa. This is premium. This is premium film. He's talking to the guy who hired this bus for us. Shout out to Rimbitos. We managed to wait for the bus, and the bus is here. So this is the bus. I'm recording Dakawanda because they say they don't want us to record here. And shout out to Premium Film. He's working as well, working very hard. And this is the bus that the guy hired for us. Someone who is anonymous. Someone who don't want to be known. Someone who just helped in private, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is the current situation here in Johannesburg. People, they are suffering. People, they are sleeping outside. There's no blankets. There's a little blankets though, but it's very cold. You can find someone with a baby and 2 weeks. And yeah, it's so sad, man. The situation is just sad. So at least we managed to get the bus that we have been waiting for the whole day. Finally it came. Hopefully the people, they will go home safe and sound. So let's see, man. So guys, we managed to secure the bus. And yeah, this is the bus that people are using to go. Yeah, as you can see, everything is done now. And yeah, at least, man. So we're waiting for the people to come and enter inside the bus. Hopefully they'll arrive safely in Zimbabwe. We've been waiting for this bus the whole day. Finally it came, at least. So yeah, let's see what's happening. Stay tuned. So guys, finally bus Razuya. And thank you so much to Premium Family to supply bus Murungu wake. Asida kusikana zvake. But shout out. Bus Razuya finally ndo vanhu vakuyenda kumba sezvamuri kuona. Finally, the other people, they are in the bus. Hey, shout out. Shout out. So guys, vanhu vari kuload one bus, as you can see. And finally, what time is it now? It's around like past 11.
Yeah, I think it's 10.
Yeah. So I guess finally the bus came and the people that are going home. So these are the only people with special needs, yeah? This one?
Yeah.
What are special needs?
Special needs, yeah.
So what are special needs? We are going to Kumba. And yeah, we are happy. So thank you so much to the sponsor and to Premium Fame as well. So yeah. So guys, this is the money that we are giving people. They are getting money for food to go. You can go. Everyone is getting 200 rand. People, they are getting money from Premium. People, they are getting money to use along the way, as you can see. So yeah, man, Premium is giving them the money to use along the way. Guys, I think we are done here. The people, they are going. Sharp. So yeah, guys, now one left going home. So yeah, guys, tafika 12 now. Kumana damba.
Damba tsinga.
Aiwa basa rapera umana.
Shemane stata moto yakwe.
Yani stata kamota kangu. Ndonga katorwa ni chando kamota kangu.
Moto yakwe ya freezer hapa.
Apa kane tsina se. Ngangobva ku Zimbabwe and then I didn't even
my premium wana kuloka job uzafa ngomuka wane ngwana.
Yeah, papa manje. Apa iwa kunorwa futhi night kwa kamuka.
Akashata.
Yeah, ketibona. Manyo. Right. It is guys.
Icho.
Hey, 1 kick, Baba. Chobatana Samari. Sharp. So guys, job is done. Now we're going back. Warm. So yeah, guys, I do what you're doing best, and I keep on doing what I'm doing best. I'm so tired, guys, and I'm so happy to Enda Kumba, and they got the man to use along the way. Thanks so much to Mbinga Edu Isula Kwanausko. Let's get it. What up, guys? You can see my head is scattered. Is your life? So yeah, guys, the best color what's happening today is we finna go and get, you know what I mean, a young maintenance nyana, me and my girlfriend, you know what I mean. So she's getting her hair done here in Zim, and I'm getting my hair done here in SA. We're getting our hair done. Sweet, ne? Anyways, so basically what's gonna be happening today is maintenance day, you know what I mean. Maybe it's like spend the day with us or spend the days with us, I don't know, man. And yeah, I'm going to Glen Marais over to Niger the Barber. If you're watching this video, don't forget that this video is proudly sponsored by Niger the Barber. As you all know that I will go and get as many cuts as I want anytime. But you know what I mean. So now I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going to get my locks retouched, look fresh again, get a fresh haircut. You know what I mean. Look at this one. I'm gonna be showing you, you know what I mean, the maintenance and stuff. And my colleagues gonna be showing you from his side as well. You know what I mean? And yeah, man. I think I don't have a lot to show you. I think that's all. You know what I mean? So let me show you. So yeah, we are here by the mall. So let me look for someone to. I wanted to wash my car, but I don't have man today. I have to take it by the wire car wash there. Oh, there's car wash there, by the way. So let me just park it here. Nice, my boy. Okay, so yeah. So hey guys, sorry to disturb on video, guys. Don't forget this video is probably sponsored by Niger the Barber Maize. Kana muri gona video runorika, but ngoma Niger, munowatsvaga, munogara kumukoma.
No, Kempton Park. My house is just 15 minutes away drive from here.
Chete guys, we pana pamuro emayakesi manyama. As you can see guys, nduglo and rubaka zvese face everything. Munozotitwa pana pa monya so sotwa musoro zvakanaka. Number those pa screens. Mayaka starts from as little as 100. Anika to 150. Makatoya mutoti mabana praise zvakanaka munobatwa bomaize. So guys, make sure to mazotsvaga mukoma Niger. Number those pa screens. Vanorwa mayakati machi manyama. As you can see, the barber is clean, there is FIFA, there's everything. Makula makakula pasasi. Tine car wash. Inosota mota dzenyu. And tine mashops as well. Vada kubva wangoenda out and everything. Muno recovered by. So guys, thank you so much. Indeed, I say no gonna advert. Let's get back into the video.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so guys, my hair is fully sorted right now, as you can see. I feel like Manisha shebang. Mama, I love shebang. Hey guys, I'm too handsome. I look handsome. It's just that my hair, I think it's not to it won't be done only, but I look like, you know what I mean? Like, I look. Anyways, guys, let's go home. You know what I mean? Let's get it. So guys, let's go home. let's go home. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted, in fact. This is the end of today. Let's see what's popping. Let's go home, Papa. So this is like day 3 or 4 after I record the video. But anyways, guys, I bet guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I gotta enjoy. I'm gonna make sure my like, my comment, my share, my subscribe, and my everything, man. If you've watched to the end, write down in the comment section with the W bus. Yeah, man, W bus. No, that's what I wanted to the end. Because vlog on, I was supposed to drop it, maybe, you know. I don't know. I was supposed to drop it with Dara, but I was just being discouraged and being disappointed. Because there were some people I'm going to want to praise in premium. Yeah, you're hoping just because you want to shoot content and stuff. It's not really bored because I was not being consistent with YouTube. When I share time with the content because I'm not square and trying to help people. And so I don't discourage at some point, but now God, you know what? I don't care. I nearly deleted this vlog, but that's what. Let me just give people, you know what I mean. Anyways, you're out to W bus. Can I watch to the end? I love you so much, guys. Let's keep on liking, commenting, and sharing, and subscribing. Let's get it.